Hi guys, as we know, the EBI RA, SE and AZ26 have three riding mode. They have a throttle mode is optional. So if you want to use the throttle mode, and you need to install same throttle. And today I will help you to learn how to install the same throttle. The same throttle we plan to install between the handbar, brake lever, and meter. And you can find they have don't it here don't have enough space to install the same throttle. So we need to move the meter to the left side, and then we just need to screw this close this screw, and we can install the same throttle on the handbar. Now let's do it. If we want to move the meter to the left side, we need these tools to lose the screw on the fit the meter. And then take it away, move it to the left side. The next thing we need to lose the screw on the same throttle. Use these tools. Okay, just use it. Take the screw off, and then you see we can install it very easy on the handbar. Oh, the space not enough. We need to move it again. Just move it, and then you can try to adjust the meters position when you finish install the same throttle. And then adjust the meter's position and figure it out. And the next step is very important. We need to connect the same throttle to the e-bike. As you see, here have a male connector and the female connector. We just need to connect it. And when you connect it, it's very important. Please be careful of the paint in the male connector. Here you can see have a logo, and here also have the logo. We just need to the logo, and then we will make sure we don't damage the connected of the field connector and the field male connector. Okay. And the last thing, as you see it, the wear of the theme sorter over here looks not very beautiful. It's not very clean. So we need to clean it up. Make the wear of the bike look beautiful. Okay, we have finished right now. This is today's video. Thank you for listening and watching. If you have any question when you use your e-bike, please feel free to contact us. You can also follow up our channel to learn more about the tips of used e-bike. Goodbye.